Hello, everybody! It's I, Juzo Gamer 7000 here, and I'm doing a tier list on every Danganronpa character. Now, we'll start with the first game to the TV show. Well, the anime, actually. Alright, first up we got her, the ultimate pro swimmer. I forgot her name. What's her name again? Hold on. Now, Aoi Asahina, aka the ultimate pro swimmer. Now, why I think of her? She's alright. She's alright. She's friendly, like, uh, cool, and a little extroverted. Like, then, yeah, that's kind of it. So, I'm gonna put her on, I guess, B tier. I'm not being rude to anyone, to all you Aoi Asahina fans out there. Like, it's just my opinion. Next up, we got Byakuya Togami. Now, Byakuya is mostly known as the ultimate affluent progeny. And, he's mostly a piece of shit. Like, that's his literal thing. He's just a piece of shit to everyone. But he's an okay character. I'm not being rude to all the Byakuya fans. I'm not being rude to any Danganronpa characters on this list to fans. But him, I would. But anyways, I'ma just say he's. I'm gonna give him a B tier. All right, next up is Celestia Luder. Now, if you had never watched my waifu vids before, well, she's mostly your goth girl waifu. And yeah, she's kind of cute. She's mostly the ultimate gambler and the ultimate hot topic. Like another person that we know. I wonder who that could be on this list. Hold on, let me find him. Okay, where are you? I know you're in this list. I know you're in this list. I can't find them. Oh wait, there you are. Yeah, caught you on 4K. I'm sorry if it's blurry to y'all. I'm recording on my phone. Like that's the whole thing. I record on my phone. So this is mostly a full video. Uh I mean, sure, she's mostly manipulated. She's also one of the antags of Danganronpa. And yeah, she's cute. So I'm gonna give her. Does anyone think it's good as in A tier? Yeah, A tier you go, baby. I don't know why the guy said baby. Anyways, next character. Okay, Chihiro Fujisaki. Now, I am gonna say this, and Chihiro is your shy friend. Is mostly your shy friend. I mean, mostly she she cries a little, but hey, she's kind of cool, and she's cool. Well, he or she. The reason why I'm saying he or she is, which Danganronpa spoilers, or if you haven't played Danganronpa, is that Danganronpa that in Danganronpa, Chihiro is mostly born as a boy, so mostly he she is trans. But I'm just gonna say they, so yeah. But they were friends with Mondo Wado, and yeah, pretty cool. but sadly, she had to die, and oh wait a minute, that's a spoiler. Oh god. All right, no more spoilers. No more spoilers. No more spoilers. No more spoilers. My god. Why did I spoil it? All right. All right. All right. All right. I rate her like oh well, I rate her about hmm. There's like a tie on A and B. That's only what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna put her on A. Next up, we got Hifumi Yamada, which is the fat guy next to Hajime and what's her name? Himiko Yamano, which he's mostly the ultimate fanfic creator, and mostly he's just a simp. Yeah, like like mostly he's kind of a simp, kind of a simp, mostly a simp on Celestia. But yeah, for I'm just gonna put him like on C. I don't hate him. I don't hate him. I'm just saying like he's okay and all. So C tier. So as you can see, we got five. Now let's talk about Kiyotaka Ishimaru. Now he's like the best friendo to Mondo Wada, which is right there. And yeah, he's the best friendo. I mean, he's mostly the ultimate moral compass. No, like actually, that's his literal ultimate. Like that's literally it. He's literally the moral compass. Like he's chill. Like he's mostly exercised, and he's kind of like a hall monitor to everyone, or school counseling. Like I do not know. So I think B tier is good for him. You know what? B tier because like you know what they say, metal's better. It's as you can see, Gyotaka Ishimaru in in B tier. All right, I see like that. I should do like Leon next. Leon Kuwata. Leon Kuwata is mostly the ultimate baseball star, which yeah, like that's his literal ultimate, which yeah, which is therefore he could probably be in like the what's what's the baseball the sports games called? I don't know, like them MLB or something, Major League Baseball. Yeah, you know what? Let's not talk about that. Anyways, he's mostly kind of chill. Like, yeah, mostly. So therefore, well, mostly I don't know about him. That's literally it. He's he's kind of a little bit irrelevant. So I'm gonna put him in uh B tier. I think. Like I actually do not know. Okay, so that's mostly a lot. So let's talk about Kyoko Kirigiri, which is the one near with Korekio and Mahiru. Now, I'm sorry if it's bright. Just like I said, I'm on my phone recording. So, yeah. Now, Kyoko is mostly your detective girl waifu. Detective waifu. Which mostly, she's mostly the ultimate detective like Shuichi right here. And mostly, I don't know if you hang out with her, but like, she's like a chill dude. Like, I think she's chill. So, I'm gonna put her probably in B tier. Now, I'm not being rude to anyone. I'm not being rude to any Danganronpa fans. Alright? Alright. 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 Now, okay, so as you can see, let me see if I... Oh, there you are. Wait a minute. Oh, Makoto. Makoto. Now, Makoto right here is the ultimate lucky student. I guess I wonder who that could be. Yeah, I guess I wonder who could that be. But, like, also, he's mostly the protag of mostly the anime and the video game. Well, the Trigger Happy Havoc one, which mostly there's four of them. So mostly he's mostly the protag. Like he's mostly kind and he kind of had the ultimate hope skill. Yeah, like I'm just gonna put him in B. Yeah, just I'm just gonna put him in B. Like I said, I am. There we go. These two together. I see you shippers out there. As we were continuing, let's talk now Mondo Owada. Mondo Owada. Now Mondo Owada is mostly your typical, well, kind of Yakuza, which I do not know which one it is. Crazy. But mostly Mondo was kind of a Yakuza, but mostly a motorcycle gang guy. Well, he's the most motorcycle leader, motorcycle gang leader. Because another spoiler. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, his brother died, which therefore his brother was the original motorcycle gang leader. Then Mondo like came in and became the motorcycle gang leader. So he's mostly kind to Kiyotaka and Chihiro. So I'm gonna put him like in A tier. Like, okay. First off, when I like saw like a YouTuber played this game, I thought Mondo was like gonna be like um a little bit antaggy, like a little bit mean to the main character, which yeah. But hey, he's a sweetheart. Yeah, like you gotta chill out with that. Anyways, let's go with another person. All right, let's see. Hold on. Okay, 3, 6, 7. Okay, that's 7. Toko Fukawa and Genocide Show, or genocide, genocide. God, why can't I just say genocider? Okay, genocider show or Joe or Jack and Toko Fukawa because these two are the same character. No, like actually, they're the two same character. Which mostly these two are mostly well, Toko is shy, while genocide show is mostly kind of like a little crazy. Which, yeah. So I'm gonna just put both of them at C. I don't know if I should put them at C or B. C or B. You know what? You know what? Hold on. I got an idea. I got an idea. I got an idea. Mostly I don't know, but like Toko's kind of mostly like full on irrelevant in the whole anime and probably in the game. So I'm gonna put her on B and I'm gonna put Genocider on C. So therefore, holy crap, I got an idea because holy shit, I am a fucking genius. Okay, so that's about 9. Alright. I think I'm doing good. I think I'm doing good. Like, I'm sorry if, like, yeah. Okay, let's see. Who else is in a part of. Oh, hold on for a sec. I'll just gotta grab my. There we go. Alright, now. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Ah, there he is. Yasuhiro Hagakure. Now, mostly Yasuhiro here, he's mostly your chill dude. Like, he's mostly the ultimate clairvoyance. No, like, he's actually that, which he has a glass ball that can read the future, but only 30% of it. No, like, actually, you gotta watch this show or play the game to to find out. Which therefore he's mostly your typical cool guy. So I'm gonna just put him in B. B for like bam. Like I don't know. Alright. I don't know what else. What else is Oh! Oh, I forgot about you. Wait a minute. That's Kiyotaka. Okay, hold on, hold on, let me just fix this real quick. Hold on, let me just hold on, let me just do this real quick. Let me just do this. Let me just put him at near his self. There we go. Now those two are good. Okay, now that's over with. Let's see. All right. Sayaka Maizono. No, she's mostly the ultimate pop sensational. Oh, right. I almost forgot. Toko's ultimate is the Rhyme Prodigy, I think. Yeah. Which Saika is the pop sensational, which therefore she mostly jokes around with you. And yeah, so I'ma put her in well, she's mostly like scared because, well, I'm gonna just put her in B. You know what? B for middle. You know what they say? B is a middle. As I was saying, as we were going on, okay, So let's see what we have here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. Okay. The other 4. Where are the other 4? That's, I think 4. Yeah. There's Macro, Junko, because they're in the Trigger Havoc, but I can talk about them in that. Alright, where are they? I could have sworn they're. Did the person who made this tier list forgot about the others? Hold on. I did not talk about. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Okay, hold on. There she is. Found her. Sorry, guys. There. Now let's talk about Sakura Ogami, which she's mostly the ultimate martial artist, I think. Which yeah, she mostly chills with Aoi Asahina, and yeah, I think she's chill. So I'm gonna go for B for her. Whoa, holy crap! We're almost finished with Trigger Happy Havoc. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, now let's talk about Mukuro. Mukuro is just a simp for her younger sister. No, no, like actually. And yeah, mostly. So she's mostly the ultimate soldier, and yeah, that's literally it. She's literally the ultimate soldier. So I'm gonna just put her. Mm, mm, she has said something bad about herself. No, I'm just gonna put her in D. Alright, now for the best for last, Junko Enoshima. Now, Junko Enoshima is your villainous waifu. No, like she actually is. And yeah, I'm okay with that. So, me personally, like, she's like cool. So, well, she's mostly the ultimate despair, ultimate analysis, ultimate Gyaru, aka fashionista. And yeah, those are the three ultimates I can say about her. So let's just put her in S here. Yeah. Oh wait, that's Ibuki. Hold on, let me just put her back. Alright. Well, that's mostly all Trigger Happy Havoc. That's what I'm going to talk about today. So I don't like waste enough time to talk about mostly all of these because there's a lot. And I mean a lot. So therefore, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.